So basically this is going to be a really short tutorial, but I'm going to expand it and show you different ways how you can implement this into your 3D projects. Originally I had to figure this out because of a project I'm working on right now. I can't show you. I can show you, but I don't feel like it because I have to open the project file again. So originally I had some text behind a block I have, and I wanted to have the text from behind the block to be a different color than the text outside of it. So this is the shader nodes that I used to make this. It's very simple, very easy. So first you would click on the square, and then I just added a what is it called? Oh, glass, of course. I just used a glass BSDF, and then right there. I'm just gonna keep it white, but you can make it different colors. But here is where the new shader is gonna come into play. Right here, a mix node. And then right here, let's get rid of this one. We don't need it. Right here is the first color input, okay? Stick with me. First color input, I'm gonna put emission. Second color input, I'm gonna put transparent. Alright. I want the first. Fuck, I fucked it. I'm sorry. Anyways, let's just put 2 emission input. I'm sorry, I know, it's my first tutorial. I don't know what's going on either. Okay, so let's put the 2 emission inputs here. And then here is the important part. We go to light path is camera ray. And this looks really scary, but it's okay. It's okay, guys. Let's put the first emission input blue, second emission input red, because that's just easier to show. So let's take this block right here. It's now transparent. Let's just pretend I didn't just fuck up, but it has nothing to do. You don't have to do anything. I just pushed some buttons on accident and it's transparent now. But it does not affect the output, okay? Just go over here, cycles. Bam! It's blue now. Are they backwards? No, that's just me being dyslexic. No, it is backwards. Okay, so I figured it out. IOR, go over here, 0. So it's just click the square, go to the, it's gonna automatically go to the square shader, go to IOR, make it 1, and it's completely fine. Now, I needed to use this for, I can't tell you, but when you move this around, it changes this color, and it's a very cool thing if you change the roughness. I'm gonna cut that part out. Okay, bam. Rough, it's rough, you know. But we've got it, my man. Cycles. And then it's like a little magnifying glass, you know? Ooh, look at me and my I shouldn't have done that. Look at me and my little magnifying glass. Woo! 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 I don't know. It's just a fun little thing I learned. I'm gonna put the link to the video I figured out. It's got more tutorials on how to do light paths. I'm not sure what most of these things do. I just know if it's put into the FAC, that is camera ray, the light paths. What the fuck did I just do? Anyways, guys, have fun, subscribe, like, comment, I don't know.